So I'm working for a multinational client, one of the largest in the world, who deal with robotics quite regularly and AI vision systems. This is a larger job, so we needed some extra experience to help support where needed. So I had enormous large workload, which was one key bit, struggling doing many hours a day to get the items and listed done. On top of that, there was additional layers of complexity with the job I was doing. With AR vision systems, there's a lot of new software and processes coming out all the time. So some things had to be learnt on the job, which is doable for a period of time, but sometimes you just need some help, especially with the complex items that I've not had deep experience in. So streamlined everything I was doing a lot, getting some of the work that I was struggling with at the start done fast and efficiently, saving me a lot of time and item by item, just ticking items off. This progressed my progress quite rapidly, allowing me to go on to deeper items. For the efficiency of progressing helped a lot, and the achieving complex items, which I did not have the experience to do. So finding creative coding solutions around certain problems which were quite difficult to say, at least to get past. So some items they have an obvious route to solution, and other ones we had a complete roadblock and no way to get past it. And you managed to solve them in different ways and ways that I didn't even think of, which is good. There was a issue with not having a global shutter on the cameras, and we're trying to collect items within certain frames for multiple cameras. It's a 6-camera multi-camera system, and detecting lots of different objects on each stream. So this should have been a global shutter system, but from other limitations we couldn't use that. So as these frames are coming in, they're coming in all mixed and matched. So we're not getting a full set if you say collect this set on this time signature. So by grouping them and adding some other filtering systems onto each frames, that essentially solved that solution, which was it'd been tailing us for a while because we could never get fully consistent results until that moment. Then after we went past that, and every single time segment was at a consistent result. So the consistency was dramatically improved. So yeah, I remember being very happy we got past that point. I worked with, I think, 9 other people in the last month, or tried to work with 9 other people in the last month. Different price ranges and such, different places around the world. None of them seemed to have the experience, or they seemed to have the experience, but they didn't in reality. They couldn't get things done in time or to the right schedule or just for the system we were using. There weren't solutions, they just offered more problems. You were local, which is helpful. So in the UK, so in the same time signature as a basic thing, you seem to care, and you do about the results and actually getting the thing done. But yeah, you have the right experience and the willingness to actually provide solutions, which might seem simple, but it really does make a big difference. Like reliability and responsiveness to get things done, or particularly its responsiveness and reactive to emergency calls was very helpful, because you can plan for whatever, but if a client suddenly needs something done and something breaks whilst on site, that could be quite stressful, and just a phone call away, you jumped in, helped, and solved the solutions without any issue, which was, yeah, that responsiveness was very, very helpful.